Hi, freshman seminar, and welcome to creating a resume. We're going to make a very basic one for your freshman year, but remember that it will serve as a working document for the next 4 years as you consider applying to college and also applying for jobs or summer opportunities or other opportunities during the school year. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open up Microsoft Word. You can do that by clicking the Windows icon in the bottom left-hand corner. Open up Word, and you're going to type in basic resume. When you've done that, there are so many different options that you can choose, but I'm going to limit you to either this basic resume, the basic resume timeless, or this resume right here. Because I like color, I'm just going to go ahead and choose this one for the basic resume. You hit create, and then it's going to be created for you. Oh, it already knew my name. Weird. We're going to change my name, though, to Cindy Cavalier. I'm going to include my actual address, which you should know. You should know your address, not mine. Include your email. And for this one, if you have one of those funny emails where it's a nickname or just something inappropriate, I would suggest that you create a new one right now that it's pretty simple with your name in it, because that is a professional email. Your telephone number. Put in a real telephone number because this is going to be your actual working document. The objective for all of you is basically just the main idea. So the main idea of this objective is I am communicating my accomplishments since I have started high school with the intention of, and I guess I should zoom in so you can see it better, with the intention of eventual college admission and selection for summer opportunities and or jobs. Once you have that there, you can go into your skills and abilities, which is going to be including things like Spanish fluency, CPR certification, basic first aid, just things that you can do, skills that you have. Notice the format for that. For experience, we're going to take this one, we're going to put, we're going to leave that one blank for now and go to education. Your education is going to be Yes Prep, Braze Oaks, Houston, Texas. You do not have a degree, but this is where you're going to put any sort of accomplishments that you have. Cum laude, recipient or cum laude degree, high honors, student of the 6 weeks in geometry, Cavalier of the month, things like that, where you're going to put in awards that you have received at school. So we're going to take out communication, and we're going to put community service. So things that you have done. Sheldon Lake for service days. What else have you done? I'm going to make things up. SPCA, volunteer. Volunteer at Bethel's Baptist Church. Basic information. References are just going to be your teachers that can help you out. So Mr. Oscar Romano, Dean of Students, Yes Prep Braze Oaks, And then this is just easy. If you're using a Yes Prep teacher, it's their first name, dot their last name, at yesprep.org. So then you have your references. You can add multiple ones by highlighting it, hitting Control C, oops, and then pasting it, Control V. For this, I'd like you to put clubs or organizations. For example, student council, secretary, 2013 to 2014, because that's what you are right now. And then just write what you do. I am also a part of the GSA. If that's what you do, you would say what it is. At school, and I am the president of that club. I'm making this up, and it's the same year. Thank you for catching that error. And so you're going to keep on going through that. If I'm involved in something outside of school, I'm just going to copy this box. I just hit the plus sign and it copied, so that's a little bit more simple. And I'm going to say that I'm a part of the Houston Women's Soccer Association. I am a teammate this year. And I would just say I play weekly at HASP on Sundays, and I would just have some basic information there. So this is a very, very, very basic resume. You need at least one thing in each section, but I would encourage you to add as many as possible, and you have your resume. When you're done with this resume, it can be a maximum of 2 pages. A maximum of 2 pages. You go to File, Save As. I'm going to save it to my desktop, and I'm going to save it as my last name, dot my first name, dot resume, dot 2013. I hit save and it's in my desktop. You are going to be working on this on Tuesday and Wednesday. You're going to be fixing it on Thursday, and by the end of class Thursday, you will email it to me. Those of you that finish early will do the same thing we did before, where you end up, what's it called? The same thing you did before, where you end up helping out the others to make sure that they can finish on time. So I would go to my email, and I'll do that very quickly. This is just to send me the email. And remember, you're going to be graded on your professionalism. So I'm going to go to gmail.com. I should be automatically logged in, but you can go ahead and log into your emails at this time. Go ahead and pause this so you can catch up. And hopefully my computer will catch up as well. If not, oh, there you go. Almost. I'm signed in. I'm going to go to my Gmail. I guess I need to sign in. And I'm going to compose my email. I hit compose. It's going to be sent to the teacher. Depending on who your teacher is, it's going to say resume 2013, your name, what class period you're in. And this is very important that you put this class period because that helps me out. But remember, you need to have that professional email. Hi, Ms. Straub. Attached is my resume. Enjoy. Thank you. Remember, to attach it, you need to click on that paper clip because that's going to attach your file. You know it's in the desktop. So Let's see if we can find it real quick. Cavalier Cindy. I double click, it's attaching, and I'm going to send. And that's all you need.